Is Canva planning to challenge Google and Microsoft? Find out in a second. But first, if you get a chance, I would love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, where each week I'll be uploading new videos on a variety of different topics. Okay, so the big news in technology today was the first ever Canva Create event. The Australian-based design company announced a number of new features coming to their platform, the biggest being Canva Visual Worksuite. This announcement expands Canva services into a suite of different products to create all types of content. This includes Canva Docs, which is a mix between your typical Canva design and a word processing program. Canva Websites, a drag and drop website design editor with hundreds of templates. Canva Whiteboards, which are collaborative designs with unlimited real estate space. As well as Data Visualizations 2.0, which will allow users to transform a spreadsheet into interactive displays and visualizations. These tools will join products such as Canva presentations, social media, video, and print. The end result of this is what appears to be a powerful productivity suite of tools focused around visuals and design. Obviously, the new Worksuite has drawn comparisons to other productivity suites such as Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. This has led some to speculate that Canva's latest release is an attempt to take on both Google and Microsoft. So should we expect an all-out Canva versus Google versus Microsoft war? Not according to Canva co-founder and COO Cliff Obrecht. In an interview with TechCrunch, he said, "We're not trying to compete head-to-head with Google Docs. Our products are inherently visual, so we take a visual lens on it. What does a visual document look like? How do you turn that boring document that's all text-based into something engaging?" Obrecht sees the products in Canva Visual Worksuite as a way to enhance the content created in Google and Microsoft. And you definitely can use Canva's tools to improve the look of the content that you create in, say, PowerPoint. But using multiple platforms to create content can get tiring for some users. So down the line, as Canva continues to develop their offerings, it does make you wonder if users will elect to use Canva over Google and Microsoft rather than in tandem. For the immediate future, I can see these offerings being a direct challenger to a company like Adobe, specifically the Adobe Creative Cloud Express, which is a similar product to Canva. It also makes you wonder whether some of the other products in the Visual Worksuite can challenge similar services, for example, Canva Websites and Squarespace or Wix, or Canva Whiteboards and Miro. But for now, we'll just have to wait to see how this all plays out. If you want to catch the broadcast of Canva Create, you can find it on Canva's YouTube channel.